Who are you filming that for?
I have a YouTube channel.
What is it? Your hand's in the way.
Okay.
What is it?
Wait, what?
Your YouTube channel.
I have a YouTube channel.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
What do you film?
I didn't film any videos yet.
Mm.
I have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, you do. I know you don't, because you don't have.
Oh my god.
Because you don't have a camera.
Dude, they go crazy.
I just do it on my iPad and on my computer.
Oh god, my scratch, what are you doing?
I already, yeah, I already
They go crazy.
Andrew, can I ride your bike?
Sure.
They could do this for hours.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so easy.
It's the most cutest dog ever in the world wrestling. Daisy, the Daisy, and Jack, the Jack. I don't know if anybody can see it this well, but...
Oh, you sit right here where your racers are.
Whoa.
Would you like to keep 2 dogs? No, 1 dog's enough.
Yeah.
Remember Ilko's neighbor had 2 cats and 2 dogs, Catherine?
Oh,
Oh my god. They are going crazy.
Ow. Is that a good view? I can't tell.
Your dog just bit me in the back.
Well, she is Daisy, so...
Hey, can you hold this?
Yeah.
Too?
Yeah.
I'll hold it. And I have to hold it. Let him hold it. Well, I want to get 2 of these sticks, put them next to each other, and they can play. Here's one. Here.
Oh my gosh. Make sure that they're in good.
I don't know how to do that.
Well, I'm just gonna be filming them. I don't know about you guys, but I think this is the most funniest thing I've ever seen. Break time. Back to fighting.
I got this. Wait. Hey, come over here. There's like 2 of them next to each other.
I think it's okay. Like, Daisy might want to go inside. We've been out here for like almost 30 minutes.
Here, we'll take a little break.
Yeah. I'm just gonna bring her inside. I think she needs a break. Let's see how our wrestling champion looks like. Daisy. 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 So, Daisy. Yeah, babe. Okay. Yeah. Well, that was the most insane dog fight I've ever seen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Leave a like if you do like this video and you want to see more dog fights. I'm sure Daisy wants to do more. Right, Daisy? Want to go outside? She's following me. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.